everyone, Savannah here, and for today's video I'm super excited to be sharing with you all of my sweet treats I made for the 4th of July. I have made firecrackers, Rice Krispies stars, cookies, these flag-shaped brownies, and not to forget these cute, adorable mini cupcake ice cream cones and these cupcakes as well. I have enjoyed making so many of these treats. It's super easy and I can't wait to share them with you. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you are excited for the 4th of July. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And I also have a vlog channel that you can check out. And I will be vlogging my 4th of July, so make sure to check that out. And without further ado, let's get started. Now we are going to be making ice cream cone cupcakes. Let's get started. Following the instructions on my Funfetti cake box, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water, a half a cup of oil, and 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. So now I'm going to be adding my Funfetti cake mix. So now for the fun part, I'm going to put my batter into the ice cream cones, and look how cute these are. They're just so mini and adorable. But of course you can use the big ones if you want, but I thought the mini ice cream cones would be super cute. So now I'm just going to take my Funfetti batter. I'm not going to get that much since they're mini, and I'm just going to fill them until right about here. After I have filled them, I didn't fill them too much because they're going to rise. Now I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes and check them. So now with our extra batter from our ice cream cone cupcakes, I'm going to be actually making regular 4th of July cupcakes. And to make these flag brownies, I'm going to be first pouring in my brownie mixture here. Now I'm going to be adding 1/3 cup vegetable oil. And now I'm going to add 1 egg. And 2 tablespoons of water. And now we're just going to mix this all together. So now after I have mixed my batter, I'm going to pour it into this brownie tin after I have sprayed it with baking spray. So now I'm going to put these in the oven that I set at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. To continue making the flag brownies, first I'm going to put a little bit of white frosting on each brownie. Now I'm going to be placing 4 blue M&Ms in the corner to resemble stars. Now on this brownie I'm going to be using Twizzlers to serve as the flags, and then on the other one I'm going to be using red frosting. And here are the flag brownies. To make these Rice Krispies, first I'm going to melt my 3 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Now since that my butter has melted, I'm going to add in 4 cups of marshmallows. So now I just took my marshmallows and butter off of the heat, and now I'm going to add in 6 cups of these festival Rice Krispie treats. I have laid my Rice Krispies onto this cookie sheet, and now I'm going to use my star cookie cutter to cut out my Rice Krispie treats. So now I'm going to show you how to make these Rice Krispie firecrackers. So I just used the excess Rice Krispies from the Star Rice Krispie treats, and I just formed these little balls to serve as the firecrackers. And all you will need is just some Twizzlers, and I just cut them up into little pieces like this. And I'm just going to place them at the top of the at the top of the ball to serve as a firecracker. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope that you will try to make some of these treats soon. It was super easy and fun to make. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you're ready for the 4th of July. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and as well as my vlog channel. And thank you again so much for watching, and have a great 4th of July. Bye.